Hi everyone. Today we are going to be talking about perimeter. For this, you do need to have some prior knowledge in units of measurement, measuring length, geometric shapes, and addition. Imagine that you're walking around a rectangular field with sides of 20 meters and 30 meters. How far will you have to walk to go all the way around the field? And how will you measure this distance? You will have to measure the perimeter of the field, which is the total length of all of its sides. To find the perimeter, we have to add the lengths of all the sides together. Since the field is a rectangle, we can assume that opposite sides are the same length. Can you see how when we add all four sides of the rectangle, we get 20 meters plus 30 meters plus 20 meters plus 30 meters, with 100 meters as our final answer? This means that in order to walk all the way around the field, we would have to walk 100 meters. Now imagine we call the length of the field L, and we call the width W. What is our perimeter? If we add L plus W plus L plus W, we get 2L plus 2W, or 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, which is how we can find the perimeter of any rectangle. Imagine S is the length of a side of a shape. If the shape has all sides of equal length, we can find the perimeter by multiplying the length of a side times the number of sides of the shape. For example, we can calculate the perimeter of a triangle with equal length sides by multiplying the length of one side, S, by the number of sides, 3. Sometimes, but not always, problems will let you know when the sides of a shape are the same length by putting these marks on the sides of the shape. Just remember that this doesn't always happen. We just saw how to calculate perimeter when your shape has sides of the same length, but how do we calculate perimeter when our sides are different lengths? All we have to do is add the side lengths together. This shape has four sides of lengths 5 meters, 8 meters, 7 meters, and 10 meters. When we add those together, we get 30 meters, and that's our perimeter. Now let's look at a practice problem. This appeared on the 2013 NGSA exam mathematics paper. We need to find the perimeter of the lawn. I'll give you a few seconds to pause the video and see if you can solve this one on your own. Okay, good work. The answer is 162 meters. Here's how we can solve this problem. In order to find the perimeter of the lawn, we must know the length of all the sides of the lawn. We can fill in the missing lengths, knowing that opposite sides of a rectangle must be the same length. So, the bottom side of the lawn is 40 meters, because 50 minus 10 is 40. And the right side of the lawn next to the house is 26 meters, because 30 meters minus 5 meters equals 26 meters. Next, to find perimeter, we have to add all the side lengths of the lawn together. We end up with 162 meters as our perimeter. If you have any questions about this presentation, feel free to reach out to our email or phone or follow us on social media. Thanks so much. Happy studying.